Hey YouTubers, Alex here, and I've got an unboxing today which I'm very excited about. We have the new Mishimoto catch can for the B9 Audi S5, S4, maybe SQ5, but definitely for the S4, S5. And if you don't already know what a catch can is for, I'm not here to have a whole tutorial, just go look it up. But basically it helps preserve the engine, oil going through with the direct injection system is known to cause carbon buildup, yada yada. Anyway, quick synopsis, go look it up if you want, but let's go ahead and unbox this. Alright, let's see what we got. So, let's see, a lot of packaging, a lot of air. Let's see, we've got, oh hey, looks like a, you know what, let's just open everything up here. So let's go. We have, a little Mishimoto, it looks like an air freshener. It has a suction cup. Kind of cool. I don't know if you can see that. There's a little suction cup in there. Little Mishimoto penguin. Kind of cute. Okay. Catalogs, rewards programs, stuff like that. Let's put this to the side. Let's see what we got here. This looks like it's the actual catch can itself. So let's go ahead and open this up. Side, there we go, and yeah, ooh, she's beefy, got some good solidity to it, nice. And let's see, you can see there's the two ports and they are labeled in and out. And let's see, does this thing unscrew? Yes. Take a look at the inside. Okay. So there's the inside. You can see, this might swivel, but you've got the filter right there and the area here to keep air and oil from mixing. And there you go. Okay, so it looks like there's a bolt at the bottom. I was watching the install instructions and there's supposed to be a hose that's going to go all the way down to the bottom of the car. I don't think I am going to install that. We'll see. I'm going to do the next video, the install, so keep an eye on that. I think I'm just going to leave it like this, and we'll see how it's installed when it's in the car. If I can just easily unscrew it, leave it installed, and pop this off instead, I'll just do it that way. Yeah. Okay, so really solid connection. I like this. Very smooth. Solid. I like that. Okay. So let's get this back together. Get this one to the side. Put it back in. I'm going to install this soon anyway. Okay, so it looks like we have an on-off valve. So let's turn this up. Yes. Ooh, you are tight. Okay. On-off. So flow valve and Mia. Okay, let's get out of here. Close the knife when the cat's. Okay, come on. I know you love boxes. Let's go. So we've got the flow valve. Come on. Let's go. Yep. Okay, we'll put you right next to me. Okay. See, this is the aluminum catch can fitting. So let's see what we got here. Okay, so these are the actual, no. So these are the actual little fittings that are going to go onto those in and out inlet and outlet, obviously, on the actual catch can. It's plastic or metal? You see metal? They're metal. Okay, so these are aluminum catch can fittings. Okay, so there's 2 of them here. And Mia, you are not doing well for an unboxing here. Come on. Those off to the side. So we got 2 of those. And let's see what else we got here. So this is the catch can bracket. So alright, so this is the actual bracket that attaches to the catch can. We're going to mount this in the car. Let's open this up. Okay, so this is going. Ooh, this is really nice. Thick aluminum. See, really nice. So this is going to go onto the car. It's going to mount and right down there. So you'll see when we get it on the install. Okay, so we're going to do that. There. Let's see what else we got. Ooh. Okay, so this is So these are all the hoses. Okay, let's open this up and see what we got. Making a mess before. So this is one thing that I really like. Okay, so I did a lot of research on catch cans, and this is what I really like about Mishimoto is their stuff comes pre-assembled just so well. It's just made to fit right on. Even it gives you directional. You can see flow. It tells you which way these things are going to go. You got your direct connects right here that just click right on. The bends are always just so well made, and gosh, even these T joints are just really nice, really solid. Okay, so, and it looks like we got all the hardware and attachment in this. This actually looks like the rest of the part that's going to go down that I said I probably wasn't going to install. So, let's see. This looks, oh wow. Okay, so this is a really short piece. So this is going to be either the in, it's probably the in, and then this is going to be the out. So it looks like the out actually goes to 2 places. So it's a triple connection on this car. Okay, cool. So we'll get to that on the install. I'll go through everything. You know what? I don't even see any. Am I missing something? You know what? It's funny. I'm unboxing this, and I don't actually see an install. You know what? That's gonna. Is there anything else? Let's see. Maybe it's in the packing slip. I don't know. Negative. So we don't have instructions. However, again, this is pretty simple. Everything is. I mean, it's not like I have to take apart too much on the car. It's 3 connections and some screws and mounting this. I know exactly where it goes. So, yeah. So, watch that next video on the install, and any comments, questions, concerns, put them in below. All right? Don't forget to subscribe for any future videos. And thank you. See you then.